We are Next Big Adventure, doing our best while we still have full-time jobs to take advantage of any adventure that comes our way. I'm Amanda.
And I'm Ryan.
We adventure on our motorcycles, occasionally camp in our trailer, and spend every summer with Ryan's parents, cruising the Pacific Northwest on their trawler Red. Of course, since we like to adventure, we don't always stick to that routine. We love learning new things and adding to our experience of life. Join us as we try it all and, well, adventure.
Good morning.
And welcome to day one of summer vacation 2024.
Summer work vacation?
I know. It is going to be somewhat of a work vacation. We don't really know what we're getting into, but it is 7:15 in the morning. It is August 15th, 2024, and we have been on the road for 2 hours. Yeah, we left at 5 in the morning. We're up at 4 on a vacation day. You're welcome.
Thank you.
But we are on I-5. We're just barely north of Williams, and we are well on our way.
South of Williams. Sorry.
We're still south of Williams? We haven't hit Granzellas yet? Oh, sheesh. Okay. We are almost to Williams. We've got Orvis behind us. Can you see? No, we can't see. Can't see Orvis. But we are planning on staying the first week in Anacortes in the trailer and doing a bunch of boat work. We're on our way. We have a bit of an odd summer vacation. We are one man down this year. We lost our poor Peanut on Friday of last week, so it's still fresh and it's still raw, and there's no munchkin between us.
Kind of weird.
It's super weird. It was super weird. Like, we always had a routine getting ready for road trips, you know, like when we would feed her and when we would take her to pee, and she would see the bags come out and get like super stoked and like amped up, and we'd have to do all these things to keep her calm and make her go potty before we got in the truck, and it was just us today. It was very weird. So
Sad, but it was time.
it was. I
Not
know.
doing well last few weeks.
I know. But I miss her, and it's weird. So it's gonna be we got a lot of firsts coming up the next few days, so we'll see how it goes.
We're down one, we're plus one.
We're a +1?
We got Wyatt for a week.
We do have Wyatt for a week. Wyatt's flying up on Saturday. Today's Thursday, and we're gonna stop in Albany tonight. We have a little campsite, and then off to Anacortes tomorrow, and then Wyatt flies in the next day. So he's gonna join us and help do man stuff. All right, we'll keep you posted on how the travels go. Anything else?
I don't think so.
Until next time. Good morning, family.
Good morning, fam.
It is 8:48, and we are on the road.
A little later than we thought.
A little bit later, but it was the first time, like, you know, doing the whole hair washing thing and getting the trailer all ready for travel, like, as we were in it. So it was pretty good.
Kind of lazy morning.
It was a little bit of a lazy morning, so that's good. It felt nice to sleep. We slept well. Blue Ox RV Park.
Yep. And the best thing on Blue Ox RV Park is it's right next to Lassen RV, which is an ORV dealer, and they had a spare taillight that we needed that went out on us yesterday.
Yay! So, nice little park. It was quiet. It was clean. Lots of liveaboards there, but it was fine. Yeah, it was fine. It wasn't schlubby-ish. We walked to the Walmart last night. Got a couple of little last-minute things have to stop and heat up lunch. We've got lunch ready to go. Tri-tip and pork like we do every day. Easy squeezy. And we'll be in Anacortes this afternoon at Pioneer Trails RV Park.
Yep.
I'm excited.
Yep.
Here we go, Oregon and Washington. Anything else?
For now.
See you later. Good morning.
Good morning.
It is Saturday. It's 9:30. We've been awake for hours. We had another wonderful night of sleep in our beautiful little Orvis. We're at Pioneer Trails RV Park, and it's really cute and very private and nice. I mean, we're in the very, very first spot, which kind of stinks, but it was fine.
Totally fine, yeah.
Yeah.
Really nice laundry facilities.
Yes.
Like, what, probably 20?
10. Yes, at least 15 of each washers and dryers, and they looked really nice, really clean. Beautiful live edge table for folding in there. It was very nice. So I'm quite pleased. We had our coffee, we had showers, we had outside trailer organization, we had inside trailer organization, and now we're heading over to the boat. The old folks have beckoned. When's our work crew getting here? We're having coffee. So we're on our way over. Wyatt has landed in Seattle and is en route via shuttle and should be landing in Anacortes about 1-ish. And all is well so far.
Yep.
Discombobulated. We have no idea what's happening. We have dinner in the sous vide. And other than that, I have no idea what's happening for the day. We're gonna go figure it out.
Planning day, I think.
Planning day.
That's my plan, is to plan.
Okay. Ryan's plan is to plan. Let's do it. Let's make a plan. Let's grow. Boat work has begun. Today was supposed to be planning. Oh boy. So as you can see, the planning day turned into a straight up work day. Wyatt arrived in town via the shuttle from SeaTac unscathed and met us perfectly on time for lunch. Sandoz at Ghirardelli. But you'll have to trust me on that one. I'm still not quite in the take photos and videos of everything phase of vacation. You'll have to just take my word for it. After lunch, it was straight to work for the men. Poor Roxy is going to have to be my new dog photo obsession because I'm missing our Peanut like crazy. And honestly, I don't know what to do with myself unless I'm taking a picture of a dog. It was so fun to have Wyatt here with us. Okay, day 2 of my sanding project. Rub rail, whatever that rail is, I don't know. But look at, beautiful, not so beautiful, ugly, beautiful. That's what I'm doing today. I got a little hair protector going on. I got some grubby clothes on, and that's my project, sanding. Wish me luck. Well, now I can put boat sanding and teak oiling on my resume. This is side 1. This is the back half of side 1. I started at the end down there, and there's definitely a difference from this side and the other side. Let's take a look. All right, this is side number 2. It's been sanded, cleaned, and had its first coat of oil. Big difference from the other side. But I'm learning. Coming out good. There's a distinct possibility I might be commissioned for the swim platform too. He's not looking so good. Well, gentlemen,
Splash day.
splash day.
Hopefully.
Okay, we have, what, 15 minutes?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, we got Roxy back there. It'll be her first splash. It'll be Wyatt's first splash.
Mm-hmm.
Anything, Wyatt, that you have, are you excited about, or?
Hopefully everything we did works.
Okay.
We added a few new holes to the hole. So we're hoping those holes aren't really holes.
Okay. We're hoping the holes aren't really holes. Figure that one out, people.
Right.
Okay. Well, here we go. We'll see ya. We'll see ya as we splash. Here comes our ride. made the official splash. I was gonna wait till the whole fam was here together. Ryan and Wyatt are on Solo Cup, storing the trailer for it, getting the trucks all set up, and then they're gonna meet us out here in the bay with Solo Cup. We are on Red. Red is functioning. We are motoring, and today is Roxy's first day on the boat, on water. She's really enjoying it. Yes. It's probably gonna be a little bit to get her comfortable.
Tell them what you think of this whole damn thing, Rox.
Tell me, sissy. Tell me. Tell us what you think. Huh?
He's not talking to man.
We'll see how the day goes. Here come these two. Put on your mean face, Wyatt. I'm videoing you. Okay, we haven't even done our official "we're on the boat and moving" video, and I've already started my chores. It is 9:40-ish in the morning. It is Thursday. We are on the water. We just left Anacortes, and we're gonna cook up some meat muffins. So I'm gonna get the oven started, and I'm back at my boat chores of cooking, and I've already swept the whole deck. So I done my cleaning for the morning. We're motoring out, and we're gonna get some meat muffins going and have a little early lunch, like a little brunch. Maybe we'll do mimosas. Good morning, and officially welcome to Red.
Yes, welcome.
Finally on the water.
Finally.
The whole dang fam's here. We got Grandma, Roxy, Papo, Bubby, me,
And Wyatt.
Big
Wyatt.
Bubby. We are on our way. We're going. Where are we going, Grandma?
We're going to East Sound,
Orcas Island.
Orcas Island.
East Sound, Orcas Island. We thought it was quaint and cute, and somewhere to take Wyatt. Maybe later today or tomorrow we'll take them to our favorite little spot in Olga on Orcas Island, Buck Bay Shellfish Farm. He can go enjoy some seafood plucked straight out of the waters. And we got just a couple of days with him, so we're gonna try to make the most of it. See what we can see. Wyatt, do you have anything to say? He's a little shy, a little camera shy. I have to be sneaky about my photos so I can get little snapshots of him smiling, because he actually does smile, but not for photos. Okay, see you later. Apparently nothing changes. We're either 10 years old and napping on the boat while we move, or we're 23. Oh, we're awake.
I still ride over.
Did you enjoy the ride over here?
Oh, I thought you were taking a picture.
No, I was trying to video, but you started quickly. You want to say that again?
Did you enjoy the ride over, Ryan?
I did.
Did you see anything exciting?
Saw porpoises.
That's it?
That's about it.
And beautiful open ocean.
I took a nap
Yes.
after dining on Amanda's wonderful meat muffins.
They were actually Bubby's meat muffins. I just did a reheat on them, so I guess I get the credit, but they were all his doing. Yep, now we are in
Here's
beautiful.
Roxy.
Oh, no.
Roxy.
Oh, no, she's looking out the other way.
We'll get in the boat.
We are here in beautiful East Sound. Here is Wyatt and Popo. Figuring out the anchor, and then we are gonna probably head to town. Show Wyatt around a little bit. We'll see how it goes. Well, here come the fellas. They left about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so ago after our little jaunt to town and walk around at East Sound. And they went to go get gas in Solo Cups so that tomorrow we can take a truck down to Olga, Buck Bay Shellfish. So I thought I'd give them men time, and I did some video editing. Here they come, landing. Look at them. So darn cute. Thursday, August 22nd, first night on the boat in East Sound. It is breezy and cold, but look at that sunset. Absolutely beautiful.
Okay, girl. Okay.
Well, it's 3:15 in the morning. Yes, we've been up for about an hour and a half. Happy first night on the boat. We thought we'd do a little fire drill and check off on our list of things to do with your parents. Unanchor and re-anchor in the middle of the night, in the dark, in the rain, in windy conditions. The boat was bouncing all over the place. Solo Cup was bouncing all over the place. I've been up, well, since about 10 o'clock last night, every half an hour, wondering if we were gonna drift off into the Outer Banks.
You've been up that long?
I've been up every hour.
Oh my God. We've
Clanking.
sleeping really well.
The boat was clanking in my head over here on the port side, and
Because you and I have our head against the hole.
Yes.
Hole.
It's been treacherous, but we got it moved. Everybody had a job, whether it was holding a rope or a light or a boat or quieting the dog, who was absolutely freaking out.
And all that just in time for the wind to stop.
And so now here we are, and it's not
And the current
bouncy.
to change.
I was gonna say
There's Papa.
we had wind and current in opposite directions, which is never a good combination.
Yeah. So we'll see what the next couple weeks have to bring. I can't wait.
Oh boy.
Okay, we made our way to Buck Bay Shellfish Farm. Took Wyatt for a little lunchy. And the old folks have shown up on red. They're in the bay, and we are gonna meet them out there. And I got Popo a little soft serve to wet his whistle. Okay, Wyatt's giving us a debrief of his trip. Wyatt, take it away. How was this last week?
I did a lot of wiring.
Okay.
Had to deal with a lot of alternators.
Oof.
Yeah.
Carburetors?
No carburetors. It's a diesel motor.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I knew that.
And
Wiring,
we
alternators?
spent 1 or 2 nights on the boat. One night was at docks. That was fine. The other night was very rough. So.
And we had the total excitement and adventure of moving the boat in the middle of the night in the dark, and nobody knew what was going
We
on.
do know now that we need much more lighting.
We need more lighting.
One spotlight from 1985 was on.
That'll be Colton's job for all that wiring.
Probably not. That's all 12 volt. Colton's all 110.
Okay, well, anything else?
No, that's
Last
it.
parting words?
See you later.
All right, see you later. I haven't really done a great job showing you all, but it was a long week and not our typical time on the boat. As you can see, some of us are in desperate need of some rest and relaxation. And the rest of the day was spent doing just that.